That includes parts of Georgetown. Our Ewell Kubota weather camera, really threatening looking skies with some showers and storms moving through the area now. I'm only going to occasionally check my watch here just in case there are additional severe thunderstorm warnings that get developed while I'm on the newscast with you here. That's why I'm checking my watch, not because I'm bored. Here's a look at the radar, and you can see most of the activity Williamson County, Milam County, into Lee County now, with some hefty rain, but no severe weather at this point. We'd love it to stay that way. One thing we're going to be watching, and I'll move and pause the map. You see this thin green line that stretches from southern Williamson County to portions of Milam County into Lee County. This is an outflow boundary. Basically, the rain-cooled air from the storms in Williamson County and north is sending this cool air rushing south of the storm. Now, along this outflow boundary, which we can pick up rather nicely on radar, will likely be additional rain and storms. In fact, outflow boundary winds can help to move a storm and the rain that comes with it farther south as the boundary spreads away. So we would be looking for additional rain and storms to potentially develop right along this boundary as it heads south through Williamson County and into Travis County. It's not a guarantee that we see additional rain and storms too far south, but at least it's a possibility as we watch that outflow boundary drop south and southeast. You can see what our clouds and radar does going into the future. It does take some of the rain and storms into at least parts of Travis County and Bastrop and Lee counties, and certainly Milam County where it's already raining. A little bit of rain in the hill country, although I don't anticipate a lot of additional rain in the hill country. The driest areas will be our southernmost counties, where you're farther away from the existing storms, and by the time any outflow wind gets to you, it will likely be too late in the evening. It's not saying you're not going to get rain, but really the farther north you are, the higher your rain and storm chances. Then by late evening and overnight, rain chances drop down to about 10% as we lose a lot of the daytime heating, and then we're back to being dry, and we think we'll be mostly dry overnight. The severe weather risk has increased over the last couple of hours. Now a 2 out of 5 from Burnett through Williamson and Milam, portions of Lee counties, and really portions of northwest Travis County as well. A 2 out of 5 severe weather risk, with large hail and damaging wind being the primary concern. The flash flooding threat has also increased into this evening to a 2 out of 4, basically Austin and northeast and northwest. So as these downpours slowly drop through, could increase the flash flooding potential, although we very much need the rain. So half of the area getting rain and storms this evening, the other half not, so it's no rain guarantee where you are. 66 for the overnight lows. Rain chances tomorrow at 30%, mostly in the afternoon and early evening, with a high of 88, a sun-cloud mix here for tomorrow. Saturday's rain chances keep drying up to just 10%, with otherwise sun and clouds and 89. We're up to 91 on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds, and we'll stay dry here on Monday as well. And then another wet weather pattern starts to make a return to central Texas. Starting with late Tuesday, just a 20% rain and storm chance pretty late in the day. But look at those rain chances already for Wednesday at 60% and 30% for Thursday.